Welcome to my channel. This is my first video like this year, I think. But I've been busy. I've got like 7 businesses online and yeah, doing pretty good. Earning a couple grand every day. Yeah, let's get to this sweet video on how to create awesome videos like this. Yeah, and let's get to the fun stuff. Alrighty, first we're gonna need Stable Diffusion. Now I'm gonna put an awesome tutorial on how to install Stable Diffusion on Windows and Mac OS in the video description. So if you don't have Stable Diffusion yet, pause the video, open the link in the video in the new tab, and get Stable Diffusion installed. It's pretty easy to do. Yeah, you just need to download it from a Hugging Face. It's actually called Automatic 1111. It's Stable Diffusion's model for it, and yeah, it'll be ready for action. What Stable Diffusion does is like it's able to create cool images with videos and stuff. So like, let's say we want a picture of a German Shepherd on a yacht, right? German Shepherd on a yacht. Okay, and we click generate, and this thingy right here says it's making progress generating the image, and let's see what we have. We have a picture of a German Shepherd on a yacht. Oh, it looks so cute. All right, now this is not an actual picture of a German Shepherd on a yacht and a picture of a yacht. This is the AI's interpretation of what a yacht looks like and what a German Shepherd looks like. And yeah, we got it. We got a picture of a German Shepherd on a yacht. All right, let's get to the fun stuff with the video. Okay, now the first thing that we're going to need is we need a video. But first, we need the special model. Okay, so this right here, this is the actual Stable Diffusion 2.1. We're gonna want realistic vision, which creates like photograph, like image and stuff. And there's quite a few. How to get those is Civet AI. I think. Oh my god. Okay, where is this? Okay. Something like this. CivetAI.com. Okay. All right. At CivetAI.com, we're going to get realistic vision at first. There's quite a few. Yeah, this one's nice though. Okay. And we're going to download this, right? It's going to be a 1.99 gigabyte file. And when this downloads, where we're going to put it is, okay, we've got our main Stable Diffusion folder here. We're going to go to models and Stable Diffusion. And we're going to put this right here. Like pretend I'm dragging this here, right? We're going to put the model we just downloaded at Stable Diffusion, models, Stable Diffusion. Hands it up. All right, we are ready for action. And you're just going to reload this thingy and make sure you choose realistic vision. And for the sampling method, let's choose DPM plus SCE or DPM plus SCE Keras. This one might be a little bit faster. Yeah. Okay, awesome. All right, now we are going to get to the fun stuff and let's create a cool video on this. How we're gonna do this is with image to image functionality. Now we can create like an image, right? Put an image, it gives like a version of the image based on the image. We can do in paint upload, which is pretty much like, I'll give you an example of it because I already created these here. All right, for the mask is like this black overlay thing, which I'm going to show you how to create in a second. What this does is, let's choose 1038 here and 103 here. Okay, All right, now this is like the mask, right? So pretty much what we're gonna do is this is only gonna edit the inside of this, right? So let's say like a man who looks like The Rock. Nice. Okay, let's see. Let's see what The Rock me looks like. If he even does it. Okay. Right. Okay. We gotta update this. Okay. Mask content. Original in paint. Masked. Mask. Oh, this one's a mask. This is why. Okay. Right. Okay. So 3.8. Make sure you put the mask here. I was training you. It's vital to learning. So is learning by doing. Like if you learn and you do it while you're watching the video, it would help a lot. Or you can see it first and watch it to get into it. Whatever you like. Whatever makes you happy. All right, here, let's do this now. Okay. And there's one more thing we have to do for the image to image, which is we are going to want to make the image size the same as the input, which is what? 720 by 1280. And you don't have to make it this big, but I like it. Okay, so yeah. Okay. 1280 and 720. Okay. All right, now the CFV strength is how closely the prompt adheres to the image adheres to the prompt. Like the higher this CFG is, the more closely it's going to be a man who looks like the Hulk, right? It'll make sure it does more, right? The denoising strength is how much the image looks like it looks like the image, right? So let's say like 10%, use 10% of the image, right? Or use 90% of the image and use 10% to change. It varies what you're doing with this one. The denoising strength, I'll put from like, sometimes it's cool on like 12, but to get like the full like effect, like to look like the Hulk, you have to put it on like higher than like 50 sometimes, or like right near 50. Alright, and control that you most likely won't have yet, which is not needed when you have this awesome technique. Okay, now let's see what Krafty looks like as the Hulk according to Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. Alright, where is it? Processing. Freezing. Processing. But it didn't freeze. I have. Okay, let's see. Okay, here she is. All right, now let's see what Krafty looks like as the Hulk or as the Rock. The Rock. It doesn't look very much like the Rock, but I'll show you how to optimize these. Okay, this doesn't look like the Rock that much. Okay, might have to like tweak this. Like I'll switch the sampling steps to this, noising strength to like 17, and make sure that restore faces is on. Okay, let's see if this is getting any better. Realistic vision, PMSDE. Okay, it's getting a little bit better. Like here's a little bit more Rock look like, kind of. Yeah, here's an example. Okay, look, I have nice muscles. My Yusuf Vuitton shirt, but still I look like the Rock, right? I turn this up more. The denoising strength, I'll look more like the Rock and not as much like myself, right? Let's see, so this needs a second to load. Needs a little bit longer if you don't have like it's nice with GPU, but it'll work. It's all fun. It'll load eventually. Okay, now let's see. So, and here I guess I look a little bit more like the rock. All right, cool. Okay, oh yeah, here it is. Here's the updated one. Right. Ooh, wow. Okay, so now, oh, it looks detailed. It looks amazing. Okay, now let's get to the fun. All right, now let's do this on a video. All right, you ready for this? Okay, so now, first we need a video. Make sure it's not like the background's not moving. Like if you have like the color doesn't matter, but make sure like there's not a lot of stuff like trees and stuff in the background. And yeah, okay, so here's our video. All right, I've got this video right here. Let's see what this video looks like. Okay, so cool video. Oh, look at this cool guy. Wow, nice. Okay, all right. With our video, what we're gonna do is we are going to either use Premiere Pro. If you have it, you can just gotta do this. If not, I'll give you a solution. All right, with Premiere Pro, you just turned it into tons of image files, right? Like here, it turns into PNG sequences. So take your video, make it match the sequence, and file, export media as PNG, right? You're gonna choose your save location. You call this 1, right? And save, and it'll save those. If you don't have Premiere Pro, it's okay. Just Google like MP4 to frames online free, right? And there's tons of sites where you can do this. All right, awesome. Okay, now that we have our image sequence, we need the alpha image sequence with the alpha. Okay, so how we're gonna do this is we're gonna sign up at Runway ML. It's totally free. It lets you have 3 projects at a time. If you have more than 3 projects, you could just delete a project and there'll be more. Okay, so all right, let's create a project, a green screen project, because this is gonna be like a green screen. Okay, and I've already got my video right here. I'm gonna drag the video here once you've uploaded it. Okay, and for the green screen, this is pretty easy. This is like amazing. Yeah, oh wow. You just click somewhere on it and it turns it into a green screen pretty much. And just like scroll through it and make sure that like everything's selected, right? And you can like it needs to select here, right? It'll add this, and ta-da. Okay, when this is ready, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Add Effects, and you're gonna add a fill color. All right, add a green screen, then Add Effects, fill color, and then you're gonna make the fill color white. Okay, so we've got this white alpha. All right, now all we have to do is make the background layer black. Okay, so on the bottom, like this is the top one's the one which has the edited alpha. The lower one has this, right? And similarly, if we go to effects and filters and fill color, we can make this black. And make sure it's like completely black, which is this one, because it's it'll work with the thing. And ta-da! All right. And we pretty much export this. It's free. Export is 720. Yeah. And the only thing is just make sure like the size of your videos match, right? Like if you have a 720 1280 video, just make sure like the image files you export are the same. Okay, cool. And we've got it. All right, so now we've got these here. All right. And yeah, I'm going to turn this to an image sequence as well, and it'll look like this. Okay, ta-da. Cool, perfect. That was easy, wasn't it? All right, now, how we're going to do tons of images at once is at batch. Batch is like batch processing, like as a process is more than one. Okay, so now, for the alpha, with the impend batch mask directory, I'm going to put the alpha thing. All right, for the input one, we're going to put the regular video frames. And for the output directory, we're just gonna create a new folder, like demo rendered sequence. Okay. Okay, now we are pretty much ready. Now make sure you don't click this yet, because this will start doing it and you won't be able to pause it without restarting. So make sure your image is good here first. And there's one more step. Before you start having fun with this. What you're going to do is when you have one you like, the seed right here, it's like the randomness of the AI, right? So if you click reuse seed, like you like this one, right? Like I like this version of the rock. I can reuse a seed, and then at batch, all of them will look similar to this one. And ta-da, it's pretty much it. I'm gonna well, and let's get to prompts a little bit more. It's best if the prompt matches like your base image, kind of, right? Like with the white shirt and stuff, right? Like for example, if we put the Hulk, it might not. And let's put the seed to random again. And make sure we're not on batch, which we still are. So now it's gonna like process through all these. So now I have to restart this. But this happens sometimes. I thought I clicked it, but I didn't. Okay. All right, if this happens, don't do anything on this page. This will help you a lot. Just restart Stable Diffusion here. See, this is training. This is good stuff right here. Just restart Stable Diffusion, and when this starts, you'll be ready. If you created a sign-in page for yours, right, you'll have to re-sign in, right? Okay, but the first one will be okay. Okay, so now, and we are pretty much ready for action. Let's do this. Okay, so now at the inpaint upload, we can put like the Hulk, right? Let's see what the Hulk gives us. Seed, random. Okay, the Hulk. Now, if we do like the Hulk wearing a white shirt, let's say green skin, large muscles, and yeah, see, this is not like very much like the Hulk. For this one, like to change like the skin color and stuff, you gotta turn it up a little bit. So turn this to point fur. Okay. And here we are. Let's see. This is the frame rendering. The more you turn the steps up, and yeah, it's pretty much based on the steps and size. You can turn the width and height down while you're rendering. Just make sure that these two images have the same width and height. And ta-da! Beautiful. I've got, wow, it's the Hulk. I am the Hulk, I guess. Nice. And this is cool. This is a nice thing. Okay, so remember, all right, reuse the seed, and go into the batch tab, and everything should be the same. And ta-da, you're pretty much gonna start it. Make sure, because I already started this one. Didn't save though. Okay, alrighty, and ta-da. Click generate, and it'll be ready in however much time. The time's based on how long the video is and how many steps you have, and the size of the image you choose, which is right here. Alrighty, well, cool. I hope you guys had fun and enjoy making sweet, awesome videos for free of anything. Yeah, this is like one of the coolest technologies ever. Alright, well, I hope you love the video and have a happy day. Peace.